personal tip, something that works for you.
I do have na feeling ko hindi siya, ano ba tawag na dyan? Unpopular opinion. Parang ganon. Parang unpopular opinion siya, or probably not most of the people will agree sa akin. But this is very personal nga, and this is based sa personality ko din, kumbaga. So, ang aking tip is, if I have a personal goal, I'm keeping it to myself. Okay? Saka ko na lang siya ina-announce pag nagawa ko na siya. Parang ganun. For example, nag-send off ako ng Twitter, in 3 months, I'm gonna lose 10 pounds or something like that. Instead of posting that way, I'm going to post like, thankfully, finally, I've lost 3 pounds after 3 months. Parang ganun.
So once you've done it,
once I've done it, saka ko na lang siya ina-announce. Kasi bakit? Para sa akin kasi, based on my experience, whenever I announce things, yung personal to guys like losing weight, learning the piano, yung mga personal to eh. Kasi when we talk about like yung mga business, it's another thing eh. Kasi you need to have community din, diba? Like yung sinabi natin. So this is very personal. You know, like for example, losing weight. You know? So, ang napansin ko kasi sa akin dyan, yung when I wanted to finish the HIIT insanity workout, kung familiar ka doon. So it's a 60-day.
I love HIIT.
Yeah, diba? Pero yung
unpopular opinion.
Exactly. I know why you like it. Because in a short span of time, diba?
Yeah, I know. Anyway.
Anyways, so, yun nga, based on my experience, whenever I announce something, for example, nag-announce ako na sa blog ko before, like way back many years ago. Nag-announce ako na, hey, I'm doing HIIT. Yun, starting day 1, so sabi ko, mag-report ako every now and then. Sabi ko sa HIIT. After 2 weeks, wala na, hindi na ako motivated kasi bakit? Nagkaroon ako ng premature sense of completeness. Kasi in-announce ko na. Ano yun? In-announce ko na, I'm doing HIIT. Parang, tapos every week, mag-update ako sa inyo. So, ko, the moment na in-announce ko na, tapos ko na. Ano mo yung ganun?
I get it.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys know, but that happened to me many times. Yung ganun. So, hindi ko siya natapos. But nung hindi ko siya in-announce, nagsimula ako ulit sa HIIT. Kasi 60 days yun dyan, diba? Nagsimula ako ulit sa HIIT. Nagawa ko siya nung hindi ko siya in-announce. Ano mo yung ganun? Yeah, that's why I said, in my personal goals, yung very personal sa akin, hindi ko siya ina-announce. I'm just keeping it to myself. Ganun. Tapos, probably whenever I've done it, saka ko na lang siya ina-announce.
You want to be responsible for your own progress, I guess. Because, I think partly when you tell other people about your goals, parang you get validation kasi, oh wow, she's gonna lose weight in like, 6 months. So we're rooting for you. So, I think I understand. Like you have like a false sense of accomplishment just by getting validations that you are setting a goal.
Yeah.
Right. So, but when you don't announce it, like you have nobody else to turn to but yourself, so you can actually get more things done because you're right. Is that right? Am I getting it correctly?
Yeah, that's true. And yun nga, sinabi ko sa akin, this is very personal kasi this is not working for everyone. Kasi I know someone na whenever she wanted to lose weight or whatever goals siya sa kanyang fitness journey, she wanted to post it. Kasi parang, mas feeling niya accountable siya kasi nilagay niya doon. Diba?
Yes.
So, yun nga, it depends kasi sa'yo. But for me,
parang I'm putting it out here so everyone will know and I will be reminded of, that works, I guess, as well. But, now that you mention it, I think I'm kind of like that too. I mean, we're hardly ever loud about our goals anyway, right? I mean, it's I guess it's more of like a personality thing.
I know. Nice. I mean, it's more personal naman. But when it comes to business, I disclose it naman. Because we have a community, diba? Something
right. That's great. That's a great tip.
Yeah. So, ano sa'yo dyan? Yung personal tip mo?
Mine is, I like the idea of creating a mood board, a visual board or visual guide, I think.
I think they call it like vision board.
Vision board. Yes. I think that's what it's called. So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with vision board, but in my experience, what I do, so let's say, last year, 2020, a friend and I were planning to hike the Everest base camp. For my vision board, you just get photos from the internet. Not recommended, at least royalty free. But basically, you just create like a vision of your goals. If you're visual like me, so I like having to look at photos of my goals to keep me on track. post it on the wall beside my workstation. So I look at it every once in a while. And then what I do to prepare for that, we were supposed to hike several mountains in the Philippines and then in another country before we actually hike, the big hike. So what I did was we were able to fortunately hike at least a couple of mountains before the pandemic happened. So I created this is not necessary, okay, but I created a stamp that said done. So when I'm done with that goal, I
Yeah.
stamp it with that. So it's very satisfying to see that, okay,
Yeah.
I've done two out of like, say, 10 mountains, for example. So that's just a way of, me keeping track of my goals. And then it's always good because I mean, I can always look at it and I
Yeah.
remember what I'm supposed to do.
Oh.
So there,
Yeah.
it helps me. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so nice yun kasi it's so visual eh. Kasi diba, people are visual people, humans talaga. We're visual people talaga. And it's so good na, like sinabi mo na nakikita mo siya next to
Mm,
your desk ba or whatsoever, nakikita mo siya.
yeah.
And then it will, okay, parang productivity, ano din siya dyan eh. Cue na parang, okay, pag may ginagawa kang iba, uy, nakita mo biglang yung visual board mo, hey, hindi pa siya
And
aligned.
like, I'm not supposed to be
Yeah.
browsing through. I'm supposed to be working out.
Yeah, diba?
Or ganun. So, right? Like if you have like a fitness goal. So what I did, so let's say if you have a goal to be fit, and then if you want to save a certain amount for emergency fund, so pwede mo siyang, basically visual representation lang siya ng goals mo. So let's say 1 million there, put it there, 1 million. Or you want to be
Oo.
debt free this year, so put debt
Mm.
free. And then if you want to be fit this year, then put a photo of a person that's fit or whatever.
I like it. May effort talaga ha.
Di ba? Di ba?
Oo.
I mean, you have to enjoy it at least, right?
Yeah.
If you're
Oo.
going to set up your
Oo. But I get the satisfaction sa Dawn's topic kasi bakit? Going back sa seventh tip natin na you have to focus on how far you've come eh, not how far you're going at. So, yun nga, nilagay mo na siya na, okay, tick na to. So, wow, di ba? You celebrate small wins eh.
right.
Diba?
Right. Yes, that's right.
Yeah, that's really good. I like it. Sige guys, what's working for Jen is yung vision or visual board. I think it's really powerful talaga. It's really powerful. So, if you guys are not doing it, well, we suggest you do it.
So, but yeah, again, whatever works for you, whatever helps you achieve your goal,
Yeah.
do it.
Catch the full episodes of Article and Design podcast. Watch for free only on Article and Design YouTube channel or listen for free on Spotify. Search for Article and Design. If you want to join the discussion, be a member of our community. Search for Article and Design on Facebook groups. See ya!